Recently, OnePlus changed the launch event date from October 30th to October 29th due to date collision with Apple's event. There are a lot of leaks and reports that are surfacing just before the launch of OnePlus 6T. Today, a Swedish retailer, Webhallen, has listed the OnePlus 6T Ultimate Limited Edition on the website with a stock of up to 100 units. The listing is giving us a first look at the new packaging box of OnePlus 6T. The package also includes a tagline of OnePlus 6T, as well as a host of secret things. The OnePlus 6T Ultimate Limited Edition box at first gives a promising official look. We are not denying any possibility of OnePlus 6T Ultimate Edition, as OnePlus has launched limited edition devices earlier also. In the past, OnePlus 5T received a Star Wars edition, while OnePlus 6 had an Avengers limited edition. So, the overall possibility of the special edition OnePlus 6T can't be denied. OnePlus 6T special variant is expected to host high-end specs, like of 8GB RAM, with 256GB storage, along with some OnePlus accessories, like cases, screen protectors, etc. Additionally, OnePlus 6T will carry Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, with a water drop display, having an on-screen fingerprint sensors. It will be OnePlus's first device to launch without a headphone jack. OnePlus 6T is expected to come with the Android 9.0 Pie out of the box. So guys, what do you think about this phone? Share your opinion down below. And thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.